You should have received your login details in an email from customercare@valitor.com within 3 days of being approved. If you're having trouble finding these, please email us at customerservice@paymentsense.com. To log in, simply enter your username and password and then click Login. To access your monthly statements, click on Menu in the top left of the screen and select Electronic Documents. You'll be presented with a screen that looks like this. Each row represents a separate statement. Double-click on the document name to see the actual statement on screen. You can print by clicking the top right-hand corner. If you want to find a specific statement, there's a filter on the right-hand side of the screen. Enter the date range you're looking for and click on the Filter button. To access your daily payments, click on Menu in the top left of the screen and then select Payments. You'll be presented with a screen that looks like this. Notice the settlement number, the schedule date, and the date the money was transferred into your account. The system also provides a breakdown of the gross versus net payments, as well as any fees associated with the transactions. If you want to find a payment, there's a filter on the right-hand side of the screen. Enter the date range you're looking for and click on the Filter button. If you'd like to export your payments to Excel, simply click on the Export button in the top right of the screen and follow the on-screen instructions. To access your daily transactions, click on Menu in the top left of the screen and then select Transactions. You'll be presented with a screen that looks like this. Each row represents a separate transaction. Notice the purchase date, the breakdown of the gross versus net payments, as well as any fees associated with the transaction. You can add or remove columns by clicking the Columns button in the top toolbar. Simply add or remove the columns you'd like to see. The system saves these settings for the next time you visit this section. To search for a specific payment, click on Menu in the top left of the screen and then select Payments. Find a particular payment where you'd like to see the underlying transactions and then select the settlement number. Right-click and copy the settlement number. Click on Menu in the top left of the screen and then select Transactions. Right-click and paste the settlement number into the first search box on the Filter section and click Filter. You'll now be presented with the transactions that relate to the earlier payment. This process can be repeated in reverse if you want to trace a transaction to a particular payment. If you operate multiple business locations, each with its own card terminal, back office processes are the same apart from one small difference. In order to complete the procedures we've already covered, you first have to select which card terminal you'd like to find information on. To find out your different terminal IDs, go to Menu, then Terminals. Here you'll find a list of all of your different terminal ID numbers based on your business location. Once you know the ID number you're looking for, select it from the column and then right-click to copy it. Then it's simply a case of filtering for that ID number before carrying out any of the previous procedures. For example, to check for a specific transaction, first copy the terminal ID number, then go to Menu, Transactions, and then paste the ID into the filter field on the right and then click Filter. You will then see all the transactions for this terminal, and you can also filter by date to narrow your search. Use the filter by ID process when carrying out all other procedures mentioned earlier in the video.